Let's talk about a few times you might want to use something like a blueprint interface in your game modes or in your player controllers. So inside of here, I have my BPI chat. In my BPI chat, I just have this simple I send message, which sends the message, and I have a chat widget, which is persistent in all of my different types of games. So from this chat widget, I can just get the owning player and go ahead and I send message. In my player controller for my lobby, I need to do RPC calls, I need to do a bunch of multiplayer stuff, so I use this event I send message to handle that, and in my main menus, I use this for debugging and logging, and I can just use this event I send message in that main menu player controller to set up the message. So here's another example where I use a BPI in the game mode. So I have this BPI for saving because in my game mode for my menus, I need to open up my saves container. In my game mode for the actual game itself, I need to open up the specific save. So what am I doing here, right? I have this BPI saving. It can call save game, add new slot, get save slots, get a save game reference, and start the game from the slot, right? Lots of different stuff can happen in here. In my game mode for my menus, I need to add a new slot, right, to the saves container and save the game. I can call this event save game even from here inside of its own graph. It's not going to be a problem for me to call that BPI event, or I can call this from outside of this graph, which is very convenient. Again, we do lots of other stuff in here, and in our other game mode for our puzzle game, we use this functionality in different ways. Why do I like doing this? Because it is very easy to implement. I can go into pretty much any graph, get game mode, and just get the save slots. I don't need to worry too much about which game mode I'm using, and if for whatever reason I have an object that is persistent across both game modes that ends up needing to call into this save, I have that accessible. Just another way I wanted to kind of show. It's a neat little trick there.